Welcome to the exciting world of penny stocks. If you're a beginner looking to make some extra cash in 2023, this video is for you. Penny stocks offer a unique opportunity for small investors to enter the stock market at minimal cost and potentially reap substantial rewards. But before we dive into the how-tos and strategies, let's first understand what exactly penny stocks are and why they hold such allure for traders of all levels. So buckle up, grab your notepad, and get ready to explore the wild ride that is making money with penny stocks. What are penny stocks? Penny stocks, also known as micro-cap stocks or small-cap stocks, are shares of companies that trade at a low price per share, typically under $5. These stocks are often associated with smaller companies that may have limited operating history, minimal assets, and lower market capitalization. One key factor to note is that penny stocks are traded on over-the-counter (OTC) markets or on certain smaller exchanges rather than major stock exchanges like the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, or NASDAQ. This distinction can make them more volatile and risky compared to larger, more established stocks. Due to their low prices and perceived potential for rapid growth, penny stocks attract investors seeking significant returns in a short period. However, it's important to approach these investments with caution. While some traders have successfully made substantial profits from penny stocks, others have experienced significant losses. Investing in penny stocks requires diligent research into company fundamentals and market trends. It's essential to stay informed about any news or updates related to the specific company you're considering investing in. Remember that although trading penny stocks can be exciting and potentially profitable for beginners, it comes with its fair share of risks. So proceed wisely. How to find penny stocks? When it comes to finding penny stocks, there are a few key strategies that can help beginners navigate this exciting but risky market. The first step is to do your research and educate yourself about the world of penny stocks. This means staying up to date with financial news, reading investor forums, and following reputable sources for stock analysis. Another important tip is to focus on specific sectors or industries that you have knowledge or interest in. By narrowing down your search to areas where you already have some expertise, you increase your chances of making informed investment decisions. Next, utilize stock screeners and scanners to filter through thousands of potential penny stocks based on criteria such as price range, volume, and market capitalization. These tools can save you time and help identify promising opportunities. Networking with other traders and joining online communities dedicated to penny stock trading can also be beneficial. By exchanging ideas and insights with like-minded individuals, you can gain valuable tips for finding potential winners in this volatile market. Keep an eye out for catalysts that could potentially drive the price of a penny stock higher. This includes factors such as positive earnings reports, new contracts or partnerships announced by the company, or upcoming regulatory approvals that could boost its prospects. Remember, finding profitable penny stocks requires patience and diligence. It's essential to conduct thorough research before investing any money into these high-risk securities. How to trade penny stocks? Trading penny stocks can be an exciting and potentially lucrative endeavor for beginners. However, it's crucial to approach it with caution and a clear strategy in mind. Here are some steps to help you navigate the world of penny stock trading. 1. Research and educate yourself. Before diving into any investment, especially with penny stocks, it's important to do your homework. Learn about different companies, their financials, industry trends, and potential catalysts that could affect their stock prices. 2. Set realistic goals. Determine what you want to achieve from trading penny stocks, whether it's short-term gains or long-term growth. Remember that patience is key in this volatile market. 3. Use a reliable broker. Choose a reputable online broker that specializes in trading penny stocks. Look for low fees, user-friendly platforms, and access to relevant research tools. 4. Develop a trading plan. Outline your entry and exit strategies based on careful analysis of price movements and market conditions. Stick to your plan even when emotions run high. 5. Practice risk management. Always set stop-loss orders to limit potential losses if the trade goes against you. 6. Start small. Begin with small investments until you gain confidence and experience navigating the unpredictable nature of penny stocks. Remember that trading penny stocks carries risks due to their volatility and lack of liquidity compared to larger cap stocks on major exchanges like NYSE or NASDAQ. Stay informed about any regulatory changes or news related to these types of investments, as they can greatly impact prices. In conclusion, While there is money-making potential in trading penny stocks for beginners in 2023, success requires dedication, knowledge-building efforts through continuous learning from trusted sources like financial publications or courses led by experienced traders who have successfully navigated this risky niche market before. Risks of trading penny stocks. Penny stocks may seem like an exciting way to make quick money, but it's important to understand the risks involved before diving in. Here are some key considerations for beginners. 1. Lack of information. Unlike larger, more established companies, penny stocks often have limited information available to investors. This makes it difficult to assess their true value and potential risks. 2. Volatility. Penny stocks tend to be highly volatile, with prices fluctuating wildly within short periods. This volatility can lead to significant gains or losses and requires careful monitoring. 3. Manipulation. The low liquidity and lack of regulation in the penny stock market make it susceptible to manipulation by unscrupulous individuals or groups who pump up a stock's price artificially before selling off their shares at a profit. 4. Liquidity challenges. Selling penny stocks can be challenging due to their low trading volume, which may result in difficulty finding buyers when you want to sell your holdings. 5. Lack of track record. Many penny stocks are associated with newly formed companies that have limited operating history or financial track record. It becomes harder to evaluate their long-term prospects accurately. 6. Limited transparency. Companies issuing penny stocks often operate on small exchanges or over-the-counter markets where reporting requirements are less stringent than those for larger publicly traded companies, leading potentially fraudulent activities unnoticed until late stages. Remember that investing in any type of stock carries risk. However, these risks can be magnified when dealing with penny stocks due to their unique characteristics. Rewards of trading penny stocks. The rewards of trading penny stocks can be enticing for beginner investors looking to make money in the stock market. While it's important to approach these investments with caution, there are potential benefits that can make them attractive. One of the main advantages of trading penny stocks is their low cost. These stocks typically trade at a price below $5 per share, which means you can buy a larger number of shares with a small investment. This allows for greater potential gains if the stock price increases significantly. Another reward of trading penny stocks is the opportunity for rapid growth. Since these companies are often smaller and less established, they have the potential to experience substantial growth in a short period of time. For investors who are able to identify promising penny stocks early on, there is potential for significant returns on investment. In addition, trading penny stocks provides an opportunity to diversify your portfolio. By investing in different types of assets, including lower-priced securities like penny stocks, you spread out your risk and increase your chances of making profits. However, it's important to keep in mind that investing in penny stocks also comes with risks. The volatility and lack of liquidity associated with these investments means that prices can fluctuate rapidly and it may be difficult or costly to sell shares when desired. While there are rewards associated with trading penny stocks such as low cost and potential rapid growth, it's crucial for beginners to thoroughly research any investment before diving in. It's always recommended to consult with a financial advisor or do thorough due diligence before making any investment decisions. Conclusion. Trading penny stocks can be an exciting and potentially lucrative venture for beginners looking to make money in the stock market. However, it is important to approach this investment strategy with caution and diligence. In 2023, with the right knowledge and strategies, you can navigate the world of penny stocks to uncover hidden gems that have the potential for substantial growth. By understanding what penny stocks are, how to find them, and how to trade them effectively, you can increase your chances of success. Remember that trading penny stocks comes with its own set of risks. These low-priced securities are often associated with volatility and limited liquidity. It is crucial to conduct thorough research on each potential investment before making a decision. Additionally, always keep in mind that no investment guarantees profits. The rewards of trading penny stocks can be significant, but beware of scams or fraudulent schemes promising overnight riches. Take the time to educate yourself about market trends, company fundamentals, and technical analysis techniques. As a beginner in the world of investing with penny stocks in 2023 or any other year, consider starting small and gradually increasing your exposure as you gain experience and confidence in your abilities. Practice disciplined risk management by setting stop-loss orders and diversifying your portfolio across different sectors. Success in trading penny stocks requires perseverance, continuous learning, adaptability to changing market conditions, and maintaining a long-term perspective on wealth creation rather than seeking quick wins. So go ahead, dive into this thrilling realm of opportunities. With careful planning, you too could potentially make money through strategic investments in thriving companies whose stock prices stand at pennies today but have immense growth potential tomorrow. Welcome to the exciting world of penny stocks. If you're a beginner looking to make some extra cash in 2023, this video is for you. Penny stocks offer a unique opportunity for small investors to enter the stock